got Loot Crate for April.
Obviously that they can't stop smoking. But back to Stormy. Their new video, she plays like an aspiring writer, trying to get her creative juices flowing. Spoiler alert, she does.
Did she do the video after this whole thing came out or before?
Apparently it's newish because she took some time off from shooting scenes because she injured her back. Writing, hazard of the profession, or
She's a gigantic voice person. I follow her on Instagram. As a matter of fact, I had to unfollow her at one point because she wasn't in the heat. It was all horses.
a porn star's Instagram with all equestrian
Why isn't that coming yet? I just want to step out.
exactly what happened.
I can spare 45 seconds to watch the whole thing. Winston Duke at LAX with Black Panther and the new Avengers movie. But I ask him because he's got lots of fans coming up to him, which I assume is like kind of a new experience for him. Do you believe white people or black people coming up wanting to take photos?
I'm interested in that. Look, I said movie did big numbers across over. There's a special celebration of that movie in the African American. There is, but $600 million.
Huge drama at the Avengers premiere. A red carpet debut. A missing Avenger. A coat made out of trees. And Stan Lee is still alive and doing great, which is nice. So tell us more.
Avengers Infinity War premiered. That's finally coming. All the cast was there.
Iron Man, Doctor Strange, Black Panther. But you know who wasn't?
Is he starring in a Broadway production?
If it's Captain America, on the roof, worrying. You know who was there? And they made their red carpet debut with the Avengers. And you know what else debuted? Vin Diesel's Groot suit.
Vin Diesel is the voice of Groot from Guardians of the Galaxy, and he had a always.
How does she have her feeling? Yo, none of this bull in people's face cursing. It's tacky and it's Jerry Springer. You heard me. Where is Salida? You okay?
No, I'm not alright.
No, I know. I just got into a heated thing with her
She's
too.
lucky I was like,
I'm shaking.